Adding a receiving account in Payoneer is essential for managing payments from various platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set it up. Log into your Payoneer account. Go to the Payoneer website and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Receive section. From the dashboard, look for the Receive tab in the main menu. Click on it to access receiving options. Select Global Payment Service. Under the Receive section, choose Global Payment Service. This service allows you to receive payments in different currencies. Add a receiving account. Click on Add Receiving Account. You will see options for different currencies like USD, Euros, GBP, etc. Choose Currency and Review Details. Select the currency you want to add and review the account details provided by Payoneer, including bank name, account number, and routing details. Confirm and activate. After reviewing, click Confirm to add the account. You will receive confirmation once the receiving account is successfully activated. Use your receiving account. You can now use this account to receive payments from clients or platforms that support Payoneer.